Yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. So I welcome all my new subscribers and the old ones as well. So this one is a fresh episode that we're about to witness. So mostly I've been doing videos about everything. So right now I want to show you a new arbitrage trick, and this video is cool for Nigerians and Ghanaians and Kenyans, like, depending on where you are watching from. So today we'll be using something we call yellow card. Yellow card. So I want to show you how you can register on yellow card and how you can verify your account and start the arbitrage. So when you're about to register yellow card, they will ask your legal name and your nickname. And after that, when you are doing your verification, the verification too, they will ask you about your bank statement or a bill that has your name on it, your ID card and your facial identity. You'll verify your facial. That one. So we're about to learn much about yellow card and how we can do the arbitrage on yellow card and make money. So if you open yellow card, this is how the dashboard look like. This is how the dashboard look like. You see, we have plenty crypto, but since BTC and USDT is the most common, that's why I have already added these two to my wallet. But you can add a lot of coins to your wallet. But me, I prefer BTC and the USDT. So this is how you do it. First of all, you have to deposit money into your Ghana cedis account. And this one, the withdrawal, everything is what is there. The withdrawal, everything is there. So you will click on what? Deposit. So deposit, this one, since we are in Ghana and we added our mobile money to it, that means we will transfer the money straight from our mobile money into yellow card accounts, so that it will reflect in our accounts. And so I'll click on the bank transfer. So one thing about yellow card is, like, you cannot do deposits more than 2,000. That is one thing they have. But the more you are trading on it, then the maximum limit towards it will push back. You can get 5,000, 10,000. But as a beginner, you see minimum as 20 Ghana cedis and the maximum as what, 2,000 Ghana cedis. So if I click on 100 Ghana cedis and click on next, it will take me here. And one thing about yellow card is, like, if you are depositing money in your yellow card or withdrawing money from your yellow card, there are no fee charges. It's fee free. You see that thing? So this is how you do it. I'll confirm the amount and like, I receive more money and MTN. You can do your transfer from mobile money, Vodafone, or MTN mobile money. So since I'm using MTN mobile money, I'll click on the MTN mobile money and confirm bank. So confirm bank, this is how it is. So they will send you some message that they have received alert that you want to deposit 100 cedis in it. So this is their number, account number 059. Then you copy the number as been copied. Then dial *170, select transfer money, and then select mobile user. So then you go straight here. So you go back to your account and dial *170# and do transfer money, mobile user, enter mobile money number, digit, confirm the number, then you confirm the number, enter amount, that's 100 cedis. Then you enter the reference, like, let's say Kenny. I don't have enough fun in it, but that's how it is. Then you will proceed. You proceed. So after that, you come back into your account. you come back into the account, then you'll see that it will reflect over here on your dashboard. It will reflect over here that you have for 100 cedis over there. So that's how you do it. You go to USDT and you click on what you can buy USDT with dollar, but since we deposit the money through Ghana cedis, so it's advisable that we go to Ghana cedis. Ghana cedis. Yeah. So then you click on what buy. So buy. I'll click on 100 cedis. 100 cedis. I'm getting what 8.06. 8.06. Though if you go to Pax4, you'll get some interest. But me, I always advise people that start with a huge capital so that you'll make enough money. Yeah. So since we are building 100 Ghana cedis accounts to 1000 cedis, so let's start with 100 Ghana cedis. So I will get 8.06. Let's say 8.06. 8.06. Yeah. So this how it is. 8.06. So that means I have 8.06 in my what USDT account. USDT account. Yeah. USDT account. So if I want to sell, I can click here, but like let's say USDT account. So I'll go to Pax4. You see, I'll go to Pax4 and do it. So I'll click on Pax4. So I'll go to Pax4. Where's my Pax4? My Pax4 account. Where's my Pax4 accounts? Yeah. So I'll go to Pax4. So right now I have was 8.06 Ghana cedis. 8.06 USDT. Sorry. So I want to a lot of people were saying that if I'm entering my PIN here, like they always see it. So do you think that this is my real account? Nah, that's not my real account. Yeah, it's not my real account. I don't use my real account for tutorials. Nah. I will not do that mistake, bro. I will not do that mistake. So I'll go to market and I'll go to I want to sell. Then I'll click on USDT. So since I bought the USDT at the rate of 12.4, I have to sell it more than 12.4. And people be saying that, yo, you people like Paxful, when people place their like this thing over here, it's like you have to negotiate with them. Nah. They are all lies. They are all lies. So that's how we will do it. Yeah. So I'm searching for a client that has higher. You see, have you seen these people? Verify ID. Have you seen these people? They want you to what? Be in the market because I've log out. So I'll click on already have an account and I'll enter my listing. I'll log in. You see, some people they want you to verify everything. Yeah. So then I'll do this thing. I hope you're watching. Yeah. Success. Then I will enter my PIN. Then I'm live. So I'll go to sell, on sell, BTC, USDT. Yeah. So I'll search for a person that has a higher rate since we are trying to build 100 cedis account with 1000 cedis, and people have been asking me, say, how many times can I do pay trade? Yo, bro, if you have the moolah, you can trade as much as 100 times. It depends on the, so that, like, what, let me say this trick: you can't trade with one person for more than 10 times. So you trade with this person, let's say 9 times, then you go to this person 9 times per day. You can't trade with one person 10 times a day. No, 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 no. Can't do that. So since the market is making slow, people have been reducing their their rates. This person will send the money on Evercent, and since we have Evercent already, let's go to, let me trade with this person. Let me see whether I can get Momo. Let me trade with this person. This person. So I'll click on it, and let me tell you something. Every person has his or a own limit, or the amount he wants. You see. So if you click on it and you say that, oh, it's too small, just go. This person wants 1,000 plus going, 1,000 plus going, 1,000 plus going. So your money is 100 cedis. So you can't trade with this person unless you search for someone with what, a lower rate, a lower, who wants a lower money. Yeah, that's why I always tell people that you have to start with higher amounts. But because it's tutorials and I want you to know how you can build your 100 cedis, sorry, build your 100 cedis account. That's why I'm doing this thing. So we have 8. So I have 8 point something, 8.8.0. So let me enter 150 cedis. I still have more, 170 cedis. 8 point, we have 8.106, 125. Oh no, into 1. Okay, so if I want to receive 171, that means I'm releasing 8.05 USDT to this person. And remember, I bought 8.05 on yellow card at 100 cedis. So it means that I've made 71 Ghana cedis as what? As profits. So let me go to my calculator and show you something. So imagine I'm doing this 10 times. 71 times 10. 71 times 10. I've made what? 710 Ghana cedis. So imagine I'm doing this 20 times. I'm making 1,420. I hope you are here with me. Yeah. So that's why I said you can do many trade you want, but don't do like more than 10 times with a particular person. Nah. If you do, let's say 9 with this person, you can go back and search for, let's say let's say this person too, the rate is 12 point something. You will not make enough profit though, but at least you will get something. You'll make less. You'll not even make, you see, you're not making anything here. You're making only 4 cedis, 4 cedis. But let me see something. But still, 4 cedis times 10. Let me see. 4 cedis times 20. 4 cedis times 20. 4 cedis times 20. 18 Ghana cedis. It's not bad. Using 100 cedis to get 18 Ghana cedis, it's not bad. Yeah. So imagine when I go to yellow card and I deposit, let's say 10,000. Yellow card will not allow me to deposit 10,000. Let's say 2,000. Yeah, let's say 2,000, because their money their money, like you can only deposit 2,000. The maximum is 2,000. It's only 2,000. Yeah. So if 2,000 and I'm buying, let's say 2,000, let's say 2,000. That means I'm getting what? I'm getting 161 point, let's say 3, 161.3 USDT, 161.3 USDT. You see. So when I come to Pax 4, I have 161.3 USDT. So you check it. That's why I said it, like Joe, it's better for you to what, deposit like a huge money, or it's better for you to invest a huge money so that you will make like a decent profit instead of 10. So that you make a decent profit. So I'm searching for someone to do the schedule. All these people you can do to these people, so you get interest from it because you bought it 12.4 cedis as a rate. So if you do with these people, you still get money. You still get your money. So if you do it with this person, 21 cedis. So let's say I invested 2,000 cedis. So 2,000 cedis, I will get 94. I will be releasing 94 USDT. I still have enough. So let's say 3,000. 3,000. I still have enough. I will see. That means I've make 10,000 thousand profit, but I still have enough. 3,500. So 3,400. 3,410. 404. 3,404. And 403. 3,402. Okay, 3,402. But I still have something here. So if I'm receiving 3,420, that means I will give the person 160.94 USDT. And remember, I have 161 USDT. That's I bought it with 2,000 Ghana cedis. So let's go to the calculator and do this math. 3420. 3420. 3420 minus 2,000. I've made 1,420 as what? As profits. And it's not bad. Making 1,420 as profits for just one trade. It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. So thank you for watching me, and tomorrow I will show you how you will withdraw your money on yellow card. You will withdraw your money on Paxful, everything I'll show you tomorrow. Yeah, so thank you for watching me, and the next will be the same. And I'm thinking of doing another training before December. So if you couldn't make time for this month on, another date will be out for another training. So prepare yourself to join it and make your dreams come true. The next one they say I'm kind of rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel technology company, and I'm out. But if you have any question, you can ask me, and I will leave yellow card link in my description. Yeah.